Okay, today we're here at Wienerschnitzel to try some of their new bird dogs. This is the Bacon Ranch bird dog. All these, there's lots of little pieces of bacon on there. There's a large chicken tender, some ranch dressing, the bacon crumbles, and some tomato slices. So let me try this side. Eat this one over the container because the bacon bits are all falling out. This one's got a good flavor too. They put a lot of the bacon bits on there. Well, actually, I think they're chopped up bacon, and the ranch and the tomatoes go good with it too. It's just the bacon bits keep falling out. And the edges of the chicken get really crispy. Just be aware of that. But overall, it tastes really good. And this is $4.99. So that's a good price too. So I'm going to give this one an A. I like the price point, and I like all the ingredients in it. It tastes really good. It's fairly large dog, I guess. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one. Oh.